From the basic information about backup methods like volume-based, file-based or agentless, we also need to talk about recovery. The recovery exactly the same. You choose recovery and you have now the possibilities of a typical image backup from a machine like a disk-based backup or volume-based backup. You can do granular recovery, files and folders, or you can do the recovery from your agentless machines. And again, you choose your backup storage as mentioned before. Just choose like your local disk, your network share, or your cloud storage to do the recovery to the local machine backward. So after a completely failure, for example, just install the backup software, choose the backup destination in the cloud, and do the full restore of your image files. And that's it.